Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rogers local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving items in Rogers, Arkansas, the input of moving companies is fundamental. You have to engage a credible company with vast experience right from the beginning. But before you engage any company, carry out a background check to ensure that you are dealing with the best providers. We at 3 Movers have got vast experience in local and overseas moves. We offer a range of moving needs to suit your circumstances. We have a team of experienced movers who will ensure nothing is left to chance in your movement experience. With years of experience in long-distance moves, 3 Movers handles every move you need in Arkansas and beyond. We understand that every move requires excellent planning, and we will work with you to plan everything, be it authorization, licensing, and compliance with state laws. On our side, we are licensed to provide moving services for both local and long-distance needs. Get our services, which include packing and unpacking, loading, unloading, disassembly, and many others. To avoid incurring unnecessary costs, you should involve us in the planning of your move. Do you want to move within Rogers? Have you contacted a moving company? Remember that even local moves require extensive planning and, if not handled well, can prove costly. Rather than stress yourself, engage our professional team at 3 Movers for the seamless transfer of your belongings. We have plenty of resources to pull any move you want. Let us handle your moving needs while you deal with your other commitments. Our staff is well trained and the resources we use are robust. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rogers Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.